Thank you. Good morning everyone, I'm Clarence Earl Dulud, and today I'll be discussing about geometric means. Here are my group members, Liam Yael Long, Christian Ericsoniza, and yours truly, Clarence Earl Dulud. Here are our objectives for today's discussion. First, learn how to solve for the geometric mean of A and B. Second, learn how to insert a number of geometric means between A and B. And third, learn how to solve A and B with only their geometric means. So what is a geometric mean? The geometric mean between any two positive numbers A and B is the square root of their product. Here we have the square root of the product of A and B, which is the positive geometric mean of A and B, and the negative square root of the product of A and B, which is the negative geometric mean of A and B. Now that we have an idea of the geometric mean, let's try and see if we can solve for it. Here we have a geometric sequence of 2, 6, 18, 54, 162, and 486. First, can you tell me the common ratio of this geometric sequence? That's right, it's 3 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, 18 times 3 is equal to 54. Now that we have our common ratio, now let's try to find our geometric mean. Let's try to find the geometric mean of 2 and 18. Keep in mind, the geometric mean of two numbers is simply the middle number of that geometric sequence, so in this case it's 6. So the geometric mean of 2 and 18 is 6. Let's prove this by using the formula. If you can remember, the formula is geometric mean equals square root of the product of A and B. Let's have our A as 2 and our B as 18. So simply multiply the two numbers. 2 times 18 is 36. And now let's get the square root of 36, which is, that's right, it's 6. So the geometric mean of 2 and 18 is 6. Let's have another example. Let's take 6 and 486. So if these two are our A and B, we should get 54. So let's prove it. Again, the square root of A and B, so that will be 6 times 486. Can you tell me what's the answer? That's right, it's 2,916. So now that we have the product of A and B, let's just simply find its square root. So of course, its square root is equal to 54. And that's how you find the geometric mean of two numbers. Passing the mic to Christian Ericsoniza. Thank you for listening.
Everyone, I'm Christian Ericsoniza and now I'll be showing you how to insert a number of geometric means between A and B. Let's get started with example number 1. Now, insert 3 geometric means between 5 and 12,005. So, 5 is our first term and 12,005 is our fifth term. So, to solve this, we need to get the third term first. So, to get the third term first, we need to multiply 5 by 12,005. And it is equals to square root of 60,025. And it is equals to 245. So our third term is 245. The third term, let's solve the second term. So it's the same procedure as the third term. 5 times 245 is equals to 1 square root of 1,225 is equals to 35. So our second term is 35. We have our second term. We can now solve our fourth term. So the fourth term is still the same procedure as the last two terms. So 245 times 12,000 5 is equals to the square root of 2,941,225, which is equals to 1,715. So our fourth term is 1,715. So now that we have all of the terms of 5 and 12,005, now we need to find their common ratios. So we need to divide 35 to 5. Oh, my bad. So that is equals to 35 divided by 5 is 7. So 5 and 35, their common ratio is 7. So to find out if 7 is really the common ratio of all these geometric means, we need to do the same thing to 1,715 and 12,005. So let's divide that. 12,000. Okay. 12,000 0 0 5 1,715 is equals to 7. So 7 is all their common ratios. So that's it. Thank you for listening.
Good day! My name is Liam Yael Inlong, and today I will be discussing finding A and B using only their geometric means. Now let's say the geometric means of A and B are 2 and 3 respectively. So that makes it A and B. And the common ratio would be, oops, that's horrible, 3 over 2. Sorry. So, the thing about this is, if you're going to the left, you're gonna have to divide. It's basically the opposite of the process. If you're going left, that would make it divide. If you're going right, that would make it multiply. So let me just yep. So that would make it so that we have to do 2 divided by 3 over 2. Now the problem with this is we actually have to turn it into a multiplication equation. So we're just gonna get the reciprocal of this, which then would make it 2 times 2 over 3. So you times both of this, then you get 4 over 3. Let me see if I can try to make this smaller to have space. Okay then, we'll move on to 3. Like I said before, if you're going to the right, you're gonna have to multiply 3 times 3 over 2. That's simple. And 3 times 3, okay, that's pretty bad, would turn into 9 over 2. Thank you so much for listening to me, and this is where I sign out.